Well, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So excited that you're here with me today for another video. If this is your first time here with me, my name is Brooke. I'm a homeschooling mom of 3 boys, military wife, and a Christian small business owner. And on Fridays, we have implemented, we used to do what's called like a fun Friday, but we just recently moved to Hawaii. And with all of the things that there are to see here in Hawaii, we're continuing Fun Friday, but I'm actually gonna be calling it like Field Trip Friday. And we're gonna take what we're learning in science, which is ecology this year, and we're gonna be in like just the physical world in general, and we're gonna be taking it out into the island of Hawaii. So we are so excited. I plan to record each of our field trips each week. So every Friday we'll go somewhere new. I plan to record those, and then at the end of the month, I'll put a compilation of all of those field trips together into one video. So this is the first one that I'm doing. This has been our first week of homeschool since we've been settled here in Hawaii. We are so excited. We're going to a botanical garden. I'm not even going to try to say the name of the garden. I'm actually just going to put it here so you can read it. Maybe I'll learn how to say it once we're there, but it looks like, I can't even explain it. It looks like a dream. It looks like just a luscious green mountain landscape with beautiful flowers and ponds and fish and birds and insects, and it's just going to be such a cool field trip. So I'm excited to take you along with that today. Wanted to do a quick intro, just say thanks for watching, welcome, and I hope you enjoy all of our field trip adventures over the next couple of weeks. You guys ready to go on our field trip? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yay! Alright, 2 things. Post homeschool field trip, Brooke is going to be very grateful for pre-homeschool field trip. Brooke, when she comes home tired and doesn't want to cook dinner, we have a pot roast already in the crock pot. It'll be ready by dinner time, and we are going to just enjoy a fun, lazy afternoon once we get back, because I know I'll be tired. Next thing I wanted to show you, so I went to ChatGPT. I typed in where we're going. It's Homeluhia. I looked it up, how to say it, Botanical Garden, and I had it print me a little just fun field trip scavenger hunt that we can do to kind of tie in the lessons we've been doing into the field trip today. So each of the boys will get one of these worksheets. I'll obviously have to help my kindergartner with it. I have a 5th grader, a kindergartner, and a 1st grader. But thank you to ChatGPT for giving me an idea of how to make this a fun learning adventure. They'll draw a little picture here when we get back. Look, I just set it up nicely on the...
Perhaps you know.
Imagine all the animals that live in here. Oh.
Squirrels and monkeys. Not something. I think there's a lot more than a billion. There's not a lot of animals in here. There's lots of them. Probably some deer.
My goodness.
It's not actually spit.
Touch it.
Ow!
Put it up close to your face so I can see them.
Ow! Ow!
I can't see.
Hold it.
Isn't that cool? Wow.
I'm used to this.
No. Keep going. I don't know, it doesn't say.
I'm looking for the
I'm like, is this right? Yeah.
No, I appreciated that because I was worried.
Absolutely.
What are we It's so soft. That one has lips. Yeah, they all do. Big lips. I'm gonna pull him up by the tail.
Hey!
I'm making them commit, James. You're gonna think it's carrots or something. Grant, get closer.
You're gonna cut your fingers.
Oh yeah, look at that black and white hair.
Yeah, you got it.
That's cool. That's how they make stuff. We're almost there. Push through. Wow.
It's just right here. For free. This would be a good army spot. There was like a sign that.
Last week we went to the Omaluhia Garden, right? And we filmed for YouTube, and then we forgot to share our favorite parts. So I'm gonna ask you guys each what your favorite part was of the field trip, and then we're gonna finish our little papers before we finish school today. So, Lukey, what was your favorite part when we went on that field trip?
When we saw the mountains in the lake.
The mountains in the lake? Were the mountains like really cool?
The volcano too.
Yeah, where the volcano used to be. Pretty cool. Did you learn anything while we were there?
Yeah.
What?
Like where it was and how it happened.
Where the volcano was and how it happened? Do you remember how it happened? No? Okay, we'll see if Brian wants to share. Brian, what was your favorite part of the field trip?
Driving in the lake.
Driving into it or driving through it?
Driving to the thing and like through the
Oh,
mountains.
yeah, the views of the mountains. And the pond. I guess they called it a lake, huh? What was your favorite part of the lake? The fish. Didn't somebody get bit by the fish too? What, do you remember how the volcano was formed? Or why it went away?
Because it like too much lava spilled everywhere, like a cup.
And then it went away? I don't remember, to be honest. Okay. James, what was your favorite part?
Touching the fish.
Touching the fish? What were those fish called, do you know? I think they were called koi fish.
Goldfish.
I think they were, I don't know, we'll have to look that up too. It was pretty cool though. They were everywhere. What did you feed them?
Fish food.
Bread?
Yeah, like
That's not
bread.
fish food, that's human food.
There was fish food,
Yeah.
right? And the ducks. When we fed the ducks.
Oh, yeah, the
ducks.
Fed them by your hands?
And they just took it.
Yeah, it was a cool field trip. All right, what is something that each of you learned? So we talked about the volcano,
Oh, about all the trees there.
all the different kinds of trees.
Yeah, and poisonous bushes.
Mm-hmm. Do you remember any of the kinds of trees that we saw?
Cocoa.
Can you tell me, Brian, about the trees that or the little plants that we touched and what happened?
Yeah, so when we touch them, they close like a mouth and they go to sleep.
Yeah.
And then when no one's around, they wake back up. And then you can touch them again.
Would you guys recommend the omaluhia Gardens to people who come to visit Hawaii? You would? Luke?
Well, I get it.
Would you recommend people going? You wouldn't?
I mean,
Those views, man, I would.
I'm not. I don't want people to go.
Why?
Picture we took, the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll show some pictures as the video goes on. So, all right, thank you guys for sharing. Back to homework. We are on our second field trip of the homeschool year. Last week we did not do a field trip because we had errands to run, so errands took over instead of a field trip. We got to just go explore the stores a little bit around here because we had a vehicle. We're now a one-car family because my husband's truck is still in Georgia. We chose not to ship it out here because it was very expensive. So he has the car most days, and when we do have the car, sometimes I have to go run errands. And that was last week. And then this week we had an errand that we had to run. We had an appointment. Today's a Wednesday. And so instead of field trip Friday, we're doing field trip Wednesday. And we are here at the Children's Museum. It's Children's Discovery Center in Honolulu. Looks really fun online, so we'll see how it is. Let's go. Y'all excited?
Yeah. How did you win? Get out of here. Alright.
And then you hold the x-rays up to this, look. Oh man, that's a sick baby. James, you're holding your baby wrong. Hi, I'd like to withdraw $1 million, please. $1 million. Are you gonna be the news forecaster? Did you break it?
No.
You can go under there. They have their kitchen and their bed, and they wait for a fire call, and then the fire call comes and they go down. Be like NASCAR, Luke. Do the other one.
Wait, this is on the Grinch.